Hey guys, I'm Deepthi and today's video is going to be a what's in my bag video. So this is something that I filmed a while back as well, like a couple of years ago, where the baby me was sitting and trying to show you guys what I had in my bag. And I think I have kind of like upgraded a little bit. I still do have similar things in my bag, but just a little bit of like, I think, adult things or more thoughtful things in my bag. I really like watching these videos. I find it to be really intriguing to see what other people have in their bag. A little nosy girl, and I feel like it gives you ideas as well, like what you are carrying in your bag. You can add these things to keep it as an essential or like take out some things. I am not a light traveler by any means. Even if I'm traveling elsewhere or even just within the city, I like to have everything in my bag, and that's the reason I have this big of a bag. So this is from College Spring, and this is a backpack, so it's just perfect. It holds a lot of products, and it doesn't feel very heavy, and it's not like adding a lot of burden to your shoulders, but it also does the job. Like, you can carry whatever you want at ease. And so let me just explain to you guys how this bag is. So you get one big compartment where you can keep all of the things that you want. So I have quite a lot of things right here. So this is one compartment which has a small slot, like a zip, where you can keep cash or card, and it also has another compartment right here and a zip. That's it. It's very simple. So it might get a little bit too cluttered if you are not organized. So I am someone who I don't really like to clutter my bag too much. I want it to be organized. I don't really dump a lot of things into my bag, and I clean it out quite often as well. I don't really like to just let gunk be there, so I just don't like trash my bag. So let's get started. Okay, I'll tell you guys as we proceed. So firstly, I have my vlogging camera. So I just carry a camera these days because if I really like something, I want to get a really nice picture, a good quality picture or a video. A camera is very essential for someone who's doing YouTube, right? So this one is a Sony ZV-1, a perfect vlogging camera, so lightweight, really good quality. It has a microphone over here as well, and it also has a viewfinder which you can flip and use it according to however you like, and I just love this one. It's so compact and easy to travel with. And then I have my phones. I have two phones. One I keep for my personal use, and then my wallet right here, which I got this a while back. This is a Tommy wallet, and this has a lot of card slots, which is I think ideal these days because not a lot of people carry cash and you just have cards for everything. So I have my debit card, credit card, and here I have my Aadhaar card. So I don't know why they click such hideous pictures. I don't even look like myself in that. Like some alien has just landed for my Aadhaar picture. I have my PAN card, all the cards that you need. So when you're traveling as well, like if you're booking a hotel or anything, they ask you for ID proof. Drivers, I have my driver's license because I do drive, and yeah, you don't just want to have a reason to pay fine additionally just because you didn't carry your license. So I have that, and there's a picture of my husband and I. So sweet, he's so cheerful in that. So every time I'm like dull also, when I just look at that picture, it makes me really happy. That feels good. And then I have a lot of pouches in my bag where I segregate products according to the usage. So in case I need something, I know it's in this pouch. That way it's not a little bit too cluttered as well. So this is a Miniso purse that I got. These are really affordable, I think 150 rupees or something. And I feel like Miniso has really good quality ones. They don't even feel cheap. They look really nice. And here I have my clip. This is something that I lose quite a lot. So I always hang it up like this so that I don't lose these. What are these called? Tic Tac clips or whatever, just to put my hair up. And then in this I have some very essential stuff. So I carry sanitary pads always in my bag, either for myself or to give it out to somebody who's in need. So sometimes, you know, it doesn't even give you a hint that it's gonna come out. So I always carry it just to be like prepared, or for other people who are not very well aware of their dates as well. So I always carry some pads. So these are the Carmesi sensitive rash-free pads. So I was particularly intrigued with this because these are certified 100% rash-free, which is a concern for a lot of us. I mean, on periods, rashes are so common. So one might wonder what makes these pads different from whatever you get in the market already. By one, I mean you guys who are watching this video. If you guys are wondering, let me explain it to you. So this is what the pad looks like. They come in a disposable biodegradable bag, which I love. I will tell you guys in a bit about that. And this is what the actual pad looks like. So this top sheet is corn based, which makes it soft and soothing to your skin. And also these pads have no synthetic fragrance and have been dermatologically tested to contain no irritants, which is mentioned right here on the box as well. Like when you get the pad, and the back sheet of the pad is more breathable, so it doesn't make you feel sweaty, and it's free of that irritating damp feeling that you get, you know, within half an hour of wear. That doesn't happen with this one. It also feels like you have nothing down there when you wear this. And then once it's time for you to change your pad, which I recommend you do quite often, you gotta change your pad quite often. All you have to do is wrap it back, seal it, and dispose them in this biodegradable disposable bag, which I showed you guys at the beginning as well. And these pads come in 3 different sizes, that is large, extra large, and extra extra large, depending on the flow you have during that particular cycle. So irrespective of the kind of menstruator you are, Carmesi has got you covered. So these are priced at starting rupees 130, that is 10 rupees per pad, and you can get it for rupees 99 on the Carmesi website alone. And if you use my discount code, that is DeepthiYT20, you get an additional 20% off on all products from the Carmesi website. So where can you find such affordable, good sanitary pads for this price? I mean, it's amazing. I would suggest you guys to check that out. So let's get going with what else is left in this pouch. So I have band-aids. I'm someone who gets cut so easily, bleed profusely. So I always need a band-aid. And I carry for other people as well. Like, you need to share your things. And then pain balm for days when I'm in pain. Mosquito repellent roll-on. This is a fabric roll-on, so wherever you are, if you're outdoors, say during night time, a lot of mosquitoes, especially during summers, roll this one onto your fabric. It's quite strong, but it does keep the mosquito away, and it's not something you're using on your skin directly. So also have some pills for my headache, which I get quite frequently, especially if I wash my hair, go out in the sun, or just during summertime, or when I eat like junk. And then let's move on to the next thing. Like I mentioned, I do keep certain things in pouches because whenever I need a certain thing, I know it's in this pouch. I can just grab that. Then, so here I have some essentials as well. So the first one is this body butter. This is from Nykaa. This is their Wanderlust Japanese Cherry Blossom Body Butter. Not because I specifically like this fragrance or anything. It's just because it comes in this travel size and it does moisturize my skin really well. So nothing irks me more than like dry, flaky looking skin. And when you wear footwear, sandals for quite some time and walk around, feet gets really dry. So I always like to moisturize it, and also for my arms. And then because we are washing our hands so often and sanitizing it so often, dry hands. This one is the Dermafique hand serum. I really like this hand cream over any other hand cream I've used. I got this one for free when I ordered something from Dermafique, which I feel was such an amazing thing because I love this and I'm almost out of this. And this is the only hand cream I think I'll be repurchasing because it moisturizes my hand really well. This one smells really nice, feels really soft and creamy on your hands. It's not like the other ones where they just feel like silicone, but this one is like so soft and creamy. So good. It just feels really nice instantly. Smells delicious, you guys. Really nice fragrance. And I also have a pocket perfume. It's very important to smell fresh. You need to refresh your fragrance as well, so I always keep this one. This is the Engage pocket perfume. You get 250 spritzes out of this, but I've been using this for quite some time now, and I'm not someone who is very stingy with my affordable perfume, so I'm like very lavish. If it's expensive, then I'm very careful with the way I spritz it, but if it's affordable like this, just so this one was for just 60 rupees and it's actually a pocket perfume. It fits right in your pocket. You can even carry it if you have a clutch and you wanted to fit it in that. Fits right and smells delicious. Very nice. And then next up I have sunscreen. This is the Photo Stable Gold sunscreen. I have one where I get ready, like in my vanity. I have the Kiehl's sunscreen. I also have one in my bag, and sometimes I do keep one in the car just in case you need to reapply. This is something that I don't do quite often, but if it's really hot, especially during summers, I prefer reapplying sunscreens. And then a moisturizer, which I don't really require that often, but just in case my skin is feeling dry, I've kept a mini variant of the Clinique Moisture Surge moisturizer. It fits right in, right? So it's really nice and handy, tiny jars, easy to travel with. And then a lip balm. This is the Face Shop Lip Care Cream. Yeah, nice lip balm in case your lips are feeling really dry. These do replenish those instantly. Yeah, and then what else do I have? I have some bills right here. This is a restaurant bill. High design. So I gifted my husband something, so I have the bill of that just in case he wanted to exchange it, didn't like it, or in case I need to take it back to them. Always keep the bill for at least a while before I discard them. And then right here I have my Wicks Vapor Up. Always carry these in case of headache, runny nose. These are the only things that kind of calm me down. I know they're not as effective and know that they're not as good, but I've been, you're used to some things from your childhood, and that's the only thing that can help you at times of crisis. So, and then this is a memory card pouch. Since I have quite a lot of memory cards, I don't want to misplace them, and in case I'm out and I need to edit something, I have everything right here. I will not be like, oh, share, I left that memory card at home, man, I can't work right now. Nothing like that. So this has me sorted and I don't lose them. So I had a memory card which is quite expensive, right? 64 GB is quite expensive, and I just lost it just like that. It was a brand new one, and ever since that I always keep them in this pouch, and they keep them safe. And then I have this one. This is a Victoria's Secret Bombshell fragrance mist. This is something my brother got me a while back, and I really like the fragrance of this. So this is more travel friendly, right? Back in the day, I have kept that to show to you guys. I used to carry something like this. This is the Gucci Flora perfume. I love the smell of this, but look at the size of this, and look at this. It's a glass jar. It's not at all friendly for travel, and I used to still carry that. So after that I decided, like, no, it's not going to be safe, and I'm going to create a mess in my bag, and that would bother me for the rest of my life. So more travel friendly variant like this. So this smells very nice. Oh, amazing. And then my sunglasses. This is from Vogue. This is very lightweight. It's easy to travel with, and anytime I need it, because we go in car and we're outdoors and it's very sunny right now, I like to keep it just so that I don't squint as much. And this is what it looks like. Very nice, very lightweight, and a beautiful pair of sunglasses that I own. I got this a really long time ago, at least 6 years ago, and still going strong, and I keep them pretty carefully. So that's the reason I always carry the case as well, and I just don't toss them in my bag just right anywhere. Always carry the case, keep them carefully. Yeah, so that's all I have. And then I have a slot right here. Like I mentioned, there's one slot where you can keep cash or anything of that sort. So in that I have few things. Let me see, what is this? So this is okay, this is a tax invoice from Novotel Goa when we stayed there, and I don't know why I haven't gotten rid of that. And then this is my passport size photo. So I carry a lot of my photos, not because I'm super narcissistic or anything, because everywhere you go, they'll be like, ma'am, do you have a passport size photo? And I'll be like, oh man, it's in that other bag. So any bag that I carry, I always keep photos in that. So wherever I'm going, any nomination you have to fill in, or anything you're getting like a form filled in and you need a photo, you have that. And this is a sweet little letter my husband gave me a while back. So I always keep this just because it's nice to remember your loved ones. So I always have that in my bag as well. So anything like this, that people give me that is handwritten and very thoughtful, I always keep it. I like that a lot. And then towards this compartment, I have, like I mentioned, a few other things. So I always carry an additional mask, a clean mask in my bag, because sometimes I am that person who will be like, I'll run out of the house and I'll be like, oh, I forgot my mask. So I always have another one in my bag. And then I have some pill which I thought I should repurchase but forgot. Great, now I remember it. And then I have this pouch. Again, this is like a coin pouch that I got from Miniso, but I don't keep coins in this. I used to keep cash, which I'm completely out of, but I have like my debit card and a little bit of change in this, because when you're going out and you don't want to carry this big of a bag, but you want everything to be there, like everything you would need, essentials, this has it. So I can always carry this and go. So it fits right in my finger and I'm always holding it like this. So that's the reason I keep that. So I have one debit card, a little bit of cash, and maybe I can even fit a lipstick in it if that's all I'm carrying like for that day. And then that's all I had in that pouch. And coming up in this slot right here, I have just 3 things, and with that we'll be done. Okay, don't exit this video, please. So I have a mirror, handy mirror, so cute. Just look at that, it's so cute, right? If you guys are wondering where I got this one from, this is from Miniso, and it's a really nice mirror. So it has like a magnifying mirror as well and a normal mirror, so you can just like magnify, look up your pores and be like, oh, look at my skin. Or like when you're applying lipstick or anything, if you want a more zoomed in application, you get that on this side, and this one is your normal pocket mirror. So whenever your lipstick is bleeding or you need to touch up your makeup or anything, you just want to look at yourself in the mirror and admire yourself, you always have a mirror. And then I also have a sanitizer. This is from Bath and Body Works. I kind of, I feel like it's not that much of a worth to it, because this just feels like some glitter particles in your sanitizer. It smells really nice and all, but I don't know how effective it is. So I would recommend looking up and buying some effective sanitizers, because at this time you don't want anything fancy. You want something to protect you from that virus. So look that up. And last item, can you believe it? I just have one lipstick in my bag. This one is the Maybelline Nude Nuance lipstick. This is what I carry all the time. This is the only lipstick that I've been wearing for I don't know what reason particularly, but it's just so lightweight on my lips. It feels like my lips but better kind of a shade, and the formula is really nice. So I do a lot of lip swatches, right? And sometimes my lips get really dry that I don't even want to wear lipstick for like the next 2 to 3 days. And on days where I want to wear lipstick, I want it to be a little bit subtle. I've become that person who wants a little more of a subtle lip shade, and that's the reason I have this one. So yeah, those were all the products. I'm trying to dig in and see if I've missed out something. Like no, I don't really have any other product left to show you guys. So that is all I had in my bag, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what are the essential products that you keep in your bag, and something that I should be carrying as well, because it's very important for me to know what you have in your bag. Nosy girl, nosy. Also let me know what other video you like to see. I will film that, because I want to film videos that a lot of you guys want to watch, like popular request. I don't want to film videos that I am just filming for my satisfaction. I want you guys to be happy with it. So let me know in the comment section down below what are your essentials in your bag and what are the videos you want me to film next. I will do that for you guys. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Just in case you don't see this face on your feed or in your subscription list, I post videos every Tuesday, Thursdays and Saturdays at 7:30 p.m. sharp. I schedule it at that time. So yeah, please do check out all my other videos. Okay, bye.